Sa Lanka has a population of 22 million people.
So tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use.
Colombo is a large city in Sri Lanka.
But you weren't really mine, just something to do.
Colombo has a population of 1 million people.